All right, fans, this is Joe Eder's Emax tractor, brand new chassis. Joe used to build his own chassis. He ran the 75th edition he ever built, and I think he got with Custom Machine, I believe, and built a new chassis with the engines moved a little bit forward. And this, in my opinion, is the baddest tractor on the planet right now. So I got some comments on our page that the Kentuckian or the Dirt Slinger, that sort of thing, might be a little more competitive. Well, these are the bigger 1871 blowers. You can see how long they are. Now the PPL, which is the Dirt Slinger in Kentucky, runs the 871 blower, which is quite a bit shorter. It stops about right here. About right there is where it stops. So that much more air is going through this blower. So this blower is illegal for the PPL. This is NTPA, and this runs in the unlimited class. And unlimited means whatever you want to run that can make weight. Unlimited overdrive, unlimited blower size, unlimited number of motors. These are Hemis, of course. Whatever size you want to run that can make weight, it's absolutely unlimited. So I'm guessing 15 to 18,000 horsepower with the motors moved a little bit farther forward. And this thing right now, state-of-the-art technology, and it is absolutely awesome. You guys have a great day and drive diesel or alcohol. Have a great day.